Hey, are you losing money in this bear market? I don't blame you. I know a lot of people are. Let's figure out how to trade options like a pro in this bear market. So I'm going to give you 3 ways to make money in a bear market. The first one is you got to make a mindset shift from the market going up all the time to the market going down. You also got to make a mindset shift of looking for income instead of growth. The growth stocks are getting crushed. We're not going there right now. We're going to continue to just try to collect income by selling options. All right, so let's look at the first strategy, and we're going to look at the chart. So if you take a look at this ever since February 18th, every time we get a bounce on the stochastics, you see this is stochastics RSI. Every time we get a bounce there, it's a great opportunity for a short. Well, in this case, when it pops up, we want to be looking for short trades, and we get a really nice tight options trade. All right, so that's the very first thing. Let me show you how it would look. So here is a option chain right here, and you're going to notice that we have the 510 and the 511. And what we do is we sell the 511 and we buy the 510, and this is called a bearish call spread, and it's a credit spread, and it puts a credit in your account. And if the price stays below 510 or 511, then we make money. And you can see that in a bear market, if we look at the charts, this is a very good strategy. And the best way to do it is when the stochastics are oversold. So you are overbought, oversold, you can wait for that to happen, okay? It's awesome because you don't need a lot of money to do it. And it's also awesome because you can really time and make money even when the market's going down. This is a great strategy. Most of the time this doesn't work because most of the time the S&P 500 goes up. But in this market, that's the way to do it. All right, strategy number 2 is to trade bounces. Now this one's a little more difficult. This one's a little more difficult because the market hasn't bounced super high, but when you're oversold and you see the stochastics RSI, you can pick key levels. Like I feel like 500 is a really good level, right? 500 is a great level. So what do? Well, we can try to find an option trade at the 500 level. Take a look at this chart. We have right now, it's expiring in 2 days. We can collect a credit. This is called a put spread, right? It is called a put spread. So as long as the price stays above 500, we make money. So if we think that the 500 level is going to hold, we can sell the 650 and buy the, or actually not the 650, we can sell the 500 for $6.50, and we can buy the 499 for $6.26, and we collect a 25-cent credit, right? And so that way we're playing the bounce. A couple tips for when you're in a really bear market is sell early. You know, put your profit target on a 25% and just take that profit quick. Another tip is if the market starts to go against you, get out early, right? We don't need to hold massive catastrophic losses. All right, now the third way to do this is what you call, this is an advanced strategy. You call that one the iron condor. Take a look at this. This combines both of them, right? It's a short iron condor. So we do the 510 and then we do the 500 and the 499. So what we're going to do is we sell a call, buy a call, that same spread I showed you earlier, or we buy a put at the 499 and sell a put at the 500, the same one I showed you earlier, right? And what's really cool about this is we get a 62-cent credit. And as long as the price stays in between this zone, then we collect all the 62 cents. And if it goes up 1, then we collect it on half of it, and we have to close the other half for a loss. But the cool thing about this is it only costs us $100, and we can max profit at 62. So if you can find key support levels, key resistance levels, you can spend $100 to get 62 cents in credit. This is an absolutely phenomenal, amazing strategy that can really put income into your account, and it has a very high probability of success. So with those strategies that I was teaching, you can really have a great track record here in this bear market. Thank you for watching. And hey, by the way, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Also, get my roadmap. It's in the description. I show you exactly how to replace your income with options and how you can have financial freedom. I've helped a lot of people do it, and I want to help you too. Thanks for watching.